to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Jars of Joy Cards with Robin workshop, which uses the Sweet Jar bundle, and then I added the Jar of Joy for some Christmas designs. And so I've got these cute little cards. So this one is great for, it could be for Valentine's, or it could be for nothing. St. Patty's Day, or just good luck, some cookies or treat, happy birthday. And then I threw in some Christmas cards, just so it's a nice, well-rounded set to get you through the front of the year. And if you're not into the Christmassy designs because you're all set, you could easily take those pieces and make a non-Christmassy version out of that. So this is my Jars of Joy Cards with Robin workshop, and you can get yours in December at our classes and workshops. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.